Hi guys, Hanan here. You know, the design engineer that made Skadu? The first most exciting thing that I want to talk to you about is the brand new cleaning refills. Don't know what this is? Come, let me show you.
You can just take any spray bottle lying around your house or get your favorite one online. Fill it up with regular tap water, put one of our cleaning refills inside, and you're ready to go. Our formula is non-toxic, cruelty-free, it's safe for you, the planet, and your pocket. A single refill costs only $1. We've gotten our products tested by a third-party lab for efficacy against leading brands, and our tabs work brilliantly. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about is our brand new attachment, the stainless steel bristle brush. This is an extremely powerful attachment. It's great for your patio, for the buildup on your tiles. It's also great to scrub mold of garden furniture. And as you can see here, it even removes rust. Imagine giving this guy a go on your barbecue grill.
The third thing that I want to tell you is that Hyper Lychee is now 2 years old. Yay! And to celebrate this, we have a big anniversary sale. There is a sale and a discount on every single product on our store. If you have a Project Happiness code, you can actually use that on top of the discounts during checkout and get an additional off on your order. The past 2 years have been an exciting roller coaster ride with all of you. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart and from every single person in our team.
Thank you!